The 100-day celebration is in full swing, and it's definitely keeping us busy here in Season 4. But we also have 2 additional updates this week. Let's talk about them. Hey guys, this is Blay, and welcome back to my corner. If you are hungry for more things to do, then these 2 updates are definitely for you. Number 1. World Boss Pre-Season. A new challenge awaits us, where we battle powerful bosses and compete with each other in terms of damage dealt. The only bad news for me on this one is this event is exclusively for second classes. Here is what we know so far. To join, go to the menu and click World Boss. As you can see here, it is locked for me. You need to complete your second class advancement in order to join. You have 5 entries per account per week, so make your entries count. Here is the schedule for the World Boss. This event is rank based, depending on your damage. The higher the damage you deal, the higher the ranking you will get. The rankings will be class based and region based, and you will receive 3 types of rewards. First, participation rewards. By simply joining, you will be awarded with 1 random item on the list. Second, ranking rewards. This will be based on your highest damage dealt. Rankings will be class and region based. And here are the rewards you can receive. Sapphires will be the main rewards for competing in this event. Lastly, we have cumulative damage rewards. This is different from the ranking rewards. This will be based on the total damage dealt within your 5 runs. You will receive rewards once you reach 1 million up to 20 million total damage dealt. And here are the maximum rewards that you can receive. Lots of amazing rewards from this event. You don't want to miss on this one. As for me, I still need to grind for my levels. Hopefully, I can catch up soon. Number 2. Heroic Orb Equipment. Finally, Heroic Orbs are here. They can be equipped in our shield slot, further increasing the strength of our characters. Now, how can we obtain Heroic Orbs? By crafting. Go to Master Craftsman Smithman at Capital LM, and here you can craft the orbs. You will need the following items to craft this orb. Take note that this equipment is also only applicable to second classes. Focus on getting your second class first like me before worrying for this equipment. They provide strike or magic power with critical damage and critical accuracy. Once crafted, you will get a random value for strike and magic power, ranging from 365 to 614, depending on your luck. Great stats! A must-have item for all of us. World Boss Pre-Season and Heroic Orb Equipments. 2 perfect updates partnered with the 100 days celebration. Definitely something you don't want to miss out. Which update do you like more? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like and notification bell to get updated on all things gaming related. Hope to see you again here in my corner. Sayonara! Goodbye! Paalam!